Hey guys, welcome back to Jordan Samuel Skin Talks. How you doing? It's February. Cheers with the 10-ounce martini glass that if you were watching me on Instagram, you saw that I now possess. It is, what time is it? It's 1:05 in the afternoon, so inevitably I need a martini. I don't. But I just feel like, you know, I'm filming, I gotta get in my groove. We do it with the martinis now, we do our talk time. My friend Jonathan, my bestie Jonathan, for Christmas got us, they're actually beautiful. So I want it to be super like, well, not I want it to be, but I really am like OCD with having the same of everything. And we like to host and we like to do wine tasting parties and really good wine. So I wanted all the wine glasses to be the same, even if it's like different varietal type of, you know, glasses, but all the same, and then all the same champagne flutes. And then I was like, oh my God, my martini glasses are sort of, So he went and got a 10-ounce martini glass, which I will show you again. I know this is not skincare talks, but we're talking about 10-ounce martini glasses right now, so. Which I don't know how much bigger that is than a normal one, but it's a lot, because the first time I made this martini with this glass, and I did like my normal pours, it was like maybe 3/4, maybe, so. When they say have one drink, it's like the wine glass that holds the whole bottle. Anyway, okay, let's get to it. We're here to talk about skin. Let's talk about skin. It is February, and it's actually February, basically. I usually film these videos a month prior, so I try to be up on it. But you know, January is a crazy month, I think, for everybody, in any profession, in any walk of life, and anything you're doing. It's just a reset, I feel like, all the time. And it got away from me, and so now I'm filming, I think it's the 29th, the 30th? It is the 29th of January, so it's essentially February. But I wanted to start off with first, wait, I need to find, 1 second, I know where it is. Product drawer, oh God, I can't even. I wanted to start off with application of product because I don't think anybody watching this channel is probably doing this. There was one person who commented on something and I was like, no. But I see ads and video ads of people doing stuff, and it's not, to me, like even a sexy way of applying a product, so I don't quite understand. It's incorrect as far as I'm concerned. It's weird. It can be wasteful, so I wanted to sort of talk about that. Do we love the sunshine? This is Seattle. I'm in Seattle on January 29th. It is not warm outside, but it is not a cloud in the sky. Blessed be. Anyway, I always feel like I do that when I take off my glasses. I mean, I really do, because I cannot see. Okay, so first up with application, hydrate serum. I'm not even gonna do it, but please do not do this. Please don't. Please don't. Please don't. Please don't. Inevitably, you're gonna touch the dropper to your face. So for people who are already freaking out that the 2 seconds the cap is off the bottle, that it's gonna completely destroy the product, it's gonna be even worse if your skin, cleansed or not, is going to touch and then you're gonna put it back in the bottle. So don't do that. However, good point, people who are like, well, I don't wanna do it in my hands and put it on, which I still like that and prefer that, but to that point, all you gotta do is, voila, and then don't do this, and then da, and then put it in that way. I'm putting this all over my, oh, even though I like specifically like have very little on my skin right now to actually do application, but we'll do that in a second. My hands and arms need hydration. Oh God, it feels so good. Quick tip, I think I've talked about this before, but layering this underneath a body cream, I mean, this is super indulgent, but especially if you use the big size of Hydrate, layering this as like a body serum and then putting a cream on top, just like you would do your face, it's so good, especially this time of year. Anyway, so first and foremost, just please don't do that. And then it's running down, it's so weird to me. I'm sorry if you do it, it's just weird to me. And again, at the end of the day, do what the hell you want to do and be happy, but I just prefer you're gonna get, it's just a better application if you're putting it, so if you wanna do it that way in your hand and then dabbing it that way, and you're not gonna lose any product in your hand. You're still not gonna, unless you go like this and then you talk to your friend for 10 minutes, it's not gonna absorb into your hand that quickly. You can put it on your face and still get the product. Trust, okay? And sip. So the next thing is, which I'm not gonna do the full shebang in terms of cleansing, because I've already done a routine video where I walk through everything, so you can see that on YouTube if you want. But the next, here we go again. But the next thing is application. Because new pet peeve, hey, we talked about this, that I was gonna do like a rants video, and that's what I was just gonna do. I guess I'm becoming that curmudgeon. No, I'm not. But there are things that I see that I'm like, come on. And if I see it once, I'm like, fine. If I see it twice, I'm like, oh, really? And then if I see it like 57 times, I'm like, okay, we're gonna talk about this now. I'm gonna put on this is the flavonoid from Rejuvi. This is the professional size if you're looking at it like, I don't have that one. But I have a layer of hydrate on my skin, so that's why I wanna follow up with the Rejuvi. Okay, so, but before I apply that, I've seen people now with their cleansers, cleansing creams, cleansing gels, cleansing balms, serums, SPF, moisturizer. And again, I know this is for like an ad, but I'm seeing people like put it on like, if you do that, you have moisturized and protected this much of your skin and left the rest out to do I don't know what. Please apply it on your face unless you are treating, you know, like the little ecosystems that we talk about where, you know, you might be really, really dry here and you might be a little bit more oily here. That's a different story. But doing this and then no, okay, no. Okay, so we're just gonna apply a little bit of the flavonoid. I don't think it's gonna be any surprise to you. So again, you can dip, but with this one, I'm gonna apply it so I have it in my hand. All over your face, please. All over your face. All over your face. All over nose, 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 nose. Under the eyes and cheeks and neck and everywhere. Up to the hairline. And if you are somebody with bangs or hair, you know, that's another thing too. I'm seeing people like with bangs come down their hair and then they're like, you want to treat your skin. If you're gonna take the time to treat your skin, treat your skin. Really, 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 truly, please treat your skin. So get one of those spa headbands and pull your hair back. And then so you can really make sure you're getting the product up to and all around the skin. Actually, something that is really interesting, a lot of my clients, when I put them in their spa headband and then start analyzing their skin, a lot of times everything will look really, really nice, but right around, I've talked about this before in videos, but right around the edge, a little more surface dryness, a little more dehydration, and chances are they're just actually not applying product there. And I know, I understand, like, you're not gonna necessarily wanna apply a facial oil there and you have your bang come out and then like sticks to your head and it's, I understand. But with some other things, and especially at nighttime, like if you can, apply it everywhere. Make sure you're taking the time to care for your skin, so apply it everywhere. I understand the irony of a bald man saying this right now. Not lost on me. And much easier for me to apply and get it up. But I've actually noticed the difference now that I do have a shaved head, that I'm taking it up further. My skin's a little bit healthier than it used to be around those areas. So just a little tip and trick, it's super easy. Again, you don't have to take your heavier oils and balms up there, but everything else, like, you know, if it's an antioxidant serum or something, like, apply it up there. Just food for thought. But just please make sure, I don't think anybody is doing this, but I do watch enough things where I'm like, oh God, if somebody is new and trying to like figure out the skin routine and application, it really is important to, again, apply the product. Don't dilly-dally and don't put in, and then I watch people scrub their face too and they're like, get in there. I mean, with the scrub, you're gonna wanna be gentle, of course, but I see the same motions with, again, cleansing cream, cleansing balm, cleansing oil, cleansing gel. And it's Like get in there, and it can still be, you don't have to pull at your face. It can still be really, really gentle, but you wanna be big sweeping motions and making sure your hand is on your face and you are covering the entire area. You can do your ears too, SPF on the ears, certainly, absolutely. Through there now, up. Food for thought, please apply. We don't need to see the dropper with the thing. And again, if you're afraid of wasting the product, drop in the hand and then ta-da! Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Happy February. And I hope you're well. I hope you're well into the new year and finding balance. I found my balance in a 10-ounce martini glass. Those of you who want to see more of the cats, it's a sunny day, so they are down for the count, and they're out. So probably not this month. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.